Is this the calm before the storm for Shiba Inu? While everyone's panic selling, on-chain data just revealed something massive that the big money doesn't want you to see. What's up, crypto fam? Goldrush here with another fire edition of Goldrush Crypto Daily, your one-stop destination for all the juiciest crypto intel before it hits the mainstream. If you're looking to stay ahead of the game in this wild crypto roller coaster, you've landed in the right place. Before we dive into today's SHIB bombshell, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for daily crypto alpha that could literally change your financial future. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Listen up. While the mainstream crypto media is busy pushing fear, the smart money is quietly accumulating SHIB at these discounted levels. I'm seeing something forming on the charts that historically precedes massive rallies, and today I'm breaking down exactly what's happening behind the scenes. So right now, Shiba Inu is trading around that 0.000014, marked down roughly 4% in the last 24 hours. And yeah, it's taken about a 20% hit over the past week after it couldn't hold that recent high near 0.00001740. Now, your average trader is probably looking at this thinking game over, but that's exactly what the whales want you to think. Here's where it gets spicy. Technical analyst Nikola Lazic just pointed out that SHIB's structure is transitioning from a corrective to an impulsive phase. For those who don't speak chart language, that's trading speak for this puppy is about to run. According to his analysis, SHIB has completed what's called a complex WXYXZ correction pattern, and could be gearing up for a fresh bullish wave, assuming it maintains support above 0.00001160. But here's the kicker. It's not just the technical patterns that have me bullish. The on-chain metrics are screaming bottom right now. The market value to realized value ratio, or MVRV for short, has dropped to levels that historically mark price bottoms. Last time we saw readings like this in Q3 2024, SHIB rocketed 128%. If history repeats, and in crypto it often does, we could be looking at SHIB climbing toward 0.000032 in the coming weeks. Wait, it gets better. On-chain transaction volumes in loss have absolutely cratered, dropping from nearly 5 trillion SHIB to under 600 billion. Translation, the weak hands are out, folks. The paper-handed sellers are exhausted. And you know what happens when sellers are exhausted, right? There's only one way to go from there. Up! If you're enjoying this analysis so far, do me a solid and hit that like button. It helps more crypto enthusiasts find this channel and join our rapidly growing community. Now let's talk technical indicators because they're aligning perfectly with this reversal thesis. The Chaikin money flow is increasing while the price is declining. That's a classic sign of smart money accumulation happening right under everyone's noses. Meanwhile, the average directional index shows decreasing bearish momentum, which typically precedes a trend reversal. But wait, there's more. SHIB is forming what chart analysts call an ascending triangle. That's a bullish continuation pattern with a breakout target of $0.000016. And once it breaks above that level, the floodgates could open to $0.000022 and potentially much higher. According to CoinEdition, traders should be watching for SHIB to reclaim that $0.00001430 level. When, not if, that happens, it would confirm strength and could trigger a fresh rally phase. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention the potential downside risks. Yes, SHIB has broken below its ascending trend line on the 4-hour chart, and it's facing resistance near $0.000151. Momentum oscillators like the RSI and MACD are still looking bearish on lower timeframes. There's a chance we could see SHIB test the 0.00001280 to 0.00001200 support zone if the current 0.00001380 support doesn't hold. And let's be real, when Bitcoin and Ethereum are showing weakness, meme coins like SHIB tend to amplify those moves. But personally, I think we're witnessing the final shakeout before the next leg up. The big boys want your coins at discount prices, and they're using market fear to get them. All eyes are on two key levels right now, the 0.00001380 support zone and the 0.000016 resistance ceiling. A bounce from support with rising volume would reignite that bullish momentum we're all waiting for. On the other hand, if SHIB drops below 0.00001200, that would invalidate this bullish thesis and expose it to further losses. But here's the big money play. If SHIB successfully breaks 0.000016 with confirmation, analysts are targeting 0.000019300.0000219 and potentially even 0.0000240 over the coming months. Those are gains of 38%, 57%, and 75% respectively from that breakout point. So what's my take? I believe Shiba Inu is at a critical crossroads right now. The smart money accumulation patterns, historical bottoming indicators, and technical setups are all converging to potentially lift this meme coin into a new bullish phase. While the mainstream focuses on the short-term pain, the real players are positioning for the next explosive move. If you've got diamond hands and can stomach a bit of volatility, these current levels could present an incredible risk-reward opportunity. Remember when SHIB went parabolic back in 2021? The signs looked exactly like what we're seeing now, but most people were too scared to pull the trigger then, just like they are now. So, crypto fam, what do you think? Is SHIB ready to rocket, or do we need to see more consolidation first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in today's analysis, do yourself a favor and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss these time-sensitive updates. The crypto market waits for no one, and neither should you. This has been Gold Rush with Gold Rush Crypto Daily, bringing you the hottest alpha in the game. Check out my other videos on the channel for more crypto gems that could explode in the coming months. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is highly volatile, and while the potential rewards can be life-changing, so can the risks. Until next time, stay golden, crypto